Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today I am exploring another perfume by the same company, Boadicea the Victorious. I have been making many reviews for these one. I had the samples and I thought I should share my thoughts about these perfumes. So let's spray. This is actually the sample. It is 1.5 ml and you can see this is the box and this is the sample bottle. It is 1.5 ml and now we are going to spray and find out quickly how it actually smells and whether you should buy this one or not. So let's spray this. I think this is the one. I have written the names, you can see over here. So just spray it twice. It is totally citrus, reminds me a lot about Terry D Hermes if you have used Terry D Hermes. The initial spray is very much similar to Terry D Hermes, but Terry D Hermes has a kind of green kind of, you can say, dirty start which has some citrus, but it is just like you have squeezed the you can say the outer side of a lemon peel, or maybe bergamot peel or some orange peel. So it has some oily kind of dirty feeling which you get from the peel of the oil inside that peel. So it doesn't have that. It is totally citrus and bergamot. Yes, now it is getting earthy and woody. Really nice. I think this is a very nice fresh citrus perfume. Woodiness and earthiness is in the background, and at the front we have some citruses that are not too spiky. They are kind of rounded citruses, really nicely done. Some spices, fresh spicy. Aromatic, yes, it is aromatic and airy kind of feeling to this one. It is not thick or wet. It is kind of airy, light, woody, citric. Fresh spicy, some earthiness is in the background. So this is all I'm getting from this one. Really the top note or the front foreground citrus is actually very similar to Terry D Hermes. So if you have Terry D Hermes, you might think that this is very similar to this one and you have wasted your money. I think maybe 90% or 80% I think it is very similar to that one. But I think the real test would be in the dry down, and right now I think I'm sensing some earthiness and some woodiness, which I think I don't find it much in Terry D Hermes. I have the Terry D Hermes. I applied Terry D Hermes last night on my neck, so really nicely done, very nicely done. Woodiness is very light over here. The earthiness is also very light. It is not dirty. It is in the background. The citrus is in the foreground. But I think Terry D Hermes is still the cheaper version for this Vetiver Imperiale from Boadicea the Victorious. So this is the perfume Vetiver Imperiale. This is, I think, more of kind of like more sophisticated or more clean version or more advanced version of Terry D Hermes. The earthiness or woodiness is not over there, but you can find it over here in the background. So this is my review, or these are my thoughts about Vetiver Imperiale from Boadicea the Victorious. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I try to simplify perfumes as much as I can. If you like vetiver based perfumes or like Terry D Hermes kind of perfumes, you can try sample for this one. I always try a sample for this one. You can order the samples from their website. So I'm also giving the link in the description. So always make sure you read the description of my videos, where you can find links to buy these perfumes. Some are you can say affiliate links from Amazon, some are not affiliate links, so you can directly go to their website and try the sample of Vetiver Imperiale from Boadicea the Victorious. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. We will meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.